wasn't very tight. Things just want to spin. No, it's just rusted all the hell. Really need to get some WD and spray it. You want that stuff we use on the... And you say, why are you doing that? So it doesn't accidentally touch something while I'm messing with it. That's why. Let me see. All right. August 2007. Shit. Well, there goes 150 bucks. The starter would have been cheaper. Of course, before I replace it, I think I would actually have it tested, so. But I haven't had any problems up until just now, so. So, if it is this battery, that means we actually got 8 years out of a 7-year battery, so I'm not complaining. This is probably going to cost me $140 to $160 to replace. Interstates aren't cheap, and especially if you get one with a 85 months, it's a long damn battery. That's 7 years. So, do not open poison. Caution, danger. Serious sulfuric acid. Oh, and some people might not know this and stuff, but did you know that you're not supposed to have open flames around batteries when they're charging, because they actually do put off a gas that's highly flammable. Yeah, that one was pretty nasty. And it looks like this one middle one over here looks to me like it may have solidified. And I don't know if this is gel mat or what this is. Damn, stirred up my beer. Well, I guess I'll hook this back up. We're going to take it over to her brother's house and he's going to load test it for us. So I think it'll ride fine for about 3 blocks, so I'm not going to worry about fastening everything back. Not now, anyway. But it does look to me like this cell right here is gelled up or dried or something. So I'm kind of maybe thinking it's the battery's had it. Although it does have some spark to it, so who the hell knows. Hopefully it'll start. Well, I replaced the battery on the truck. That's what it was. I thought at first maybe it was the starter, but no, it actually was a battery. I got 8 years out of a 7-year battery, so I am not complaining. Of course, now they don't make 7-year batteries. This is a 6. So anyway, $150 later. But this is a big damn battery. I don't know if you could tell or not. Probably not from the video. But that's probably about 35-pound battery. So anyway, so now the truck starts just fine. Dirty, dirty. So anyway, Bobbi Ratchet Meyer strikes again. Because I actually know how to fix shit, Trent. So, later.